Welcome back to Fiacture Car Update, and today we're diving into one of the rarest, toughest, and most misunderstood machines ever connected to the Toyota name, the USA Spec 1992 Toyota Hilux Gamma. This is a truck that very few people have ever seen, fewer have ever driven, and almost nobody knows the complete story behind. But today, you're getting the full breakdown, the hidden facts, and the deeper secrets that make this truck stand out from the entire Hilux lineup. The Hilux Gamma wasn't just another pickup. It was a special variant developed during a time when Toyota was experimenting heavily with durability packages and market-specific configurations. While the mainstream Hilux models were already known across the world for their unstoppable nature, the Gamma took things a step further. It was designed for drivers who needed something rugged enough for rough terrain yet still refined enough to survive long American highway journeys. Under the hood, the 1992 Hilux Gamma carried Toyota's legendary reliability DNA. Depending on the market adaptation and dealer-level modifications, you could find versions equipped with a 2.4-liter petrol engine or the famous 2.8-liter diesel variant, both known for running hundreds of thousands of miles with minimum maintenance. The USA versions had slightly different tuning to meet local requirements, smoothing out the power delivery while keeping the trademark Hilux toughness intact. The exterior design of the Gamma is one of the biggest reasons it stands out. It carries that early 90s boxy Hilux look that enthusiasts love: sharp edges, strong fenders, and that purposeful stance that tells you it's ready for work. But the Gamma had unique touches. Special badging, upgraded bumpers, reinforced suspension components, and in some builds, a slightly higher ride height than the standard Hilux. These weren't cosmetic changes, they were functional upgrades aimed at long-life usage in demanding environments. Inside, the cabin stayed simple, durable, and straightforward, because that's what Hilux owners wanted. Soft-touch materials were nearly non-existent, replaced with long-lasting plastics and fabric designed to handle dust, dirt, and real-world abuse. You didn't get luxury, you got reliability, and that was the whole point. The Gamma wasn't built to impress people with features, it was built to impress them with performance, endurance, and dependability. But the real secret behind the 1992 Hilux Gamma lies in its origin. Many believe this variant was created for specialized sectors such as utility services, rugged transport operations, or remote region fleets. In some cases, these units were distributed through limited dealership networks or government contracts, making them extremely rare today. That's why you'll almost never see a Hilux Gamma on American roads. Most live tough lives, many were exported later, and a handful remain as collector treasures. Another hidden detail is the way Toyota engineered the frame and chassis. Compared to the standard Hilux, the Gamma received subtle reinforcements, allowing it to withstand heavier loads and harsher environments. Toyota never advertised these upgrades heavily, which is why only the most dedicated enthusiasts understand the true capability of this truck. This quiet engineering philosophy is what gave the Hilux Gamma its almost indestructible reputation. Driving the 1992 Hilux Gamma feels different from other trucks of the time. It's firm, stable, and confident on rough roads. The steering is mechanical and honest, giving the driver total control. It doesn't race, it doesn't roar, but it moves with a kind of determined strength that modern trucks simply don't have anymore. That's what makes this model special. Not speed, not luxury,